Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Simple Podcast. I'm Alex. Today, we're going to talk about a big problem that all English learners have. You learn a new word, you feel so happy, but then tomorrow comes and the word is gone. You think, wait, I learned this word yesterday. Where did it go? Does this happen to you? I know it does. It happens to everyone. And I want to tell you something important. You are not stupid. You are not bad at English. This is completely normal. So why do we forget words? Let me explain. Your brain is like a muscle. You know muscles, right? When you exercise your arms every day, they become strong. When you don't use them, they become weak. Your brain is the same. When you learn a new word, your brain looks at it. Your brain asks, is this word important? Will I see it again? If the word doesn't come back, your brain thinks, okay, this is not important, and your brain deletes it. Why? Because your brain wants to save energy. It only keeps things that are useful and important. So here's the truth. Forgetting is not bad. Forgetting is normal. It means your brain is working correctly. Your brain is trying to help you. It's cleaning up things you don't use. But don't worry. Today I will show you how to stop forgetting English words. Simple ways that really work. The first mistake that many students make is this. They try to learn too many words. Every day they open their notebook. They write 10 new words, or 20 words, or even 50 words. They feel busy. They think, I'm working hard. I'm a good student. But here's the problem. Their brain gets very, very tired. And when your brain is tired, it cannot remember anything. A tired brain forgets everything quickly. So what's the solution? Here's a better idea. Learn one word, but meet it many times. Let me give you an example. Take the word morning. You don't need 10 new words today. You need to see morning in different places. Good morning. Morning coffee. In the morning. A morning person. Every morning. This morning. Same word, different situations. When you see one word many times, your brain says, oh, this word is everywhere. This must be important. I will remember it. There's a saying in English, quality is better than quantity. Quality means how good something is. Quantity means how many. One word learned well is better than 10 words learned badly. Remember, less is more. Take your time with each word. Don't rush. Now let me tell you a secret about words. Words don't like to be alone. What does this mean? When you learn just one word by itself, it's very weak. Your brain doesn't know what to do with it, and your brain forgets it easily. Let me show you. Listen to this word. Cold. Now stop. Think about it. Cold what? Cold weather? Cold water? Cold hands? A cold person? Your brain starts asking questions. The word is not clear. It's confusing. When a word is unclear, unclear means not easy to understand, your brain cannot keep it. But now, listen to these complete sentences. It is cold today. I like cold water. My hands are cold. She has a cold. Do you feel the difference? Now the word cold has a home. It has meaning. It feels real. This home is called context. Context means the situation where the word lives. It means how the word is used in real life with other words around it. Context helps your brain in two ways. First, it helps your brain understand the word clearly. Second, It helps your brain remember the word for a long time. Think about your own language. You didn't learn words alone, right? You learned them in sentences, in conversations, in real life. So here's my important rule for you. Never learn a word alone. Always learn it inside a sentence. A sentence gives the word a home, and when a word has a home, your brain can find it easily. Now, I want to tell you something that many students forget to do. This one thing can help you remember words much better. What is it? Speaking. Saying words out loud. I know what you're thinking, but Alex, I study alone. I don't have someone to talk to. That's okay. You don't need another person. You can practice alone. Here's what I want you to do. Say words out loud. Not in your head, not quietly, out loud. Use your voice so your ears can hear you. Maybe you feel shy. Maybe it feels strange. I understand. But please trust me, this really works. Let me explain why. English is not only something you think about. English is something you use with your mouth. It's a living language. When you speak, 3 parts of your body work together. Your mouth makes the sounds, your ears hear the sounds, and your brain understands and remembers. This is very powerful. When you say a word out loud, your mouth practices. Your ears hear it, and your brain receives the word 2 times, when you think it and when you hear it. Your brain thinks, wow, I'm seeing this word and hearing it. This is important. This makes the memory much stronger. There's another benefit too. When you speak out loud, you practice pronunciation. Pronunciation means how to say words correctly. Now, let me give you an example. I will say a sentence. Just listen first. I drink water in the morning. Now, please say it with me, slowly. I drink water in the morning. Good. One more time. I drink water in the morning. Excellent. Every time you speak, you help your brain remember. You create a strong memory. Now I want to share another secret with you. This secret changed how I learn languages, and I think it will help you too. Here it is. You don't need to study for a long time. Many students think, I need to study for 1 hour, or 2 hours, or 3 hours every day. But the truth is, your brain doesn't like long study times. Long sessions make your brain tired, and we know a tired brain forgets easily. So what does your brain love? Your brain loves short times, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but every day. Short time plus every day equals strong memory. Let me explain how this works. Imagine you want to learn one new word today. Here's what you do. In the morning, look at the word for 5 minutes. Read it, say it, see it in a sentence. Then stop. Yes, stop. Close your book, do other things. Later at night, see the same word again. Read a different sentence with this word. Just 5 minutes. Then stop. The next day, see the word again, maybe in the afternoon. Just 5 minutes. This method is called spaced repetition. Spaced means there is time between your study sessions. Repetition means you see the same thing again and again. Your brain loves this. Here's why. First time, the word is new. Your brain says, what is this? Second time, the word feels familiar. Familiar means you saw it before. Your brain says, oh, I remember this. Third time, the word feels easy. Your brain says, yes, I know this. This is how memory grows, little by little, stronger and stronger. Think about it. What's better, studying 3 hours on Monday than nothing all week, or studying 10 minutes every day for 7 days? The second way is much better. Why is studying a little bit every day better? Because your brain needs time to process information. Process means to work on something and understand it deeply. When you give your brain small pieces every day, It has time to process carefully. But when you give your brain too much at once, it gets overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means too much, too confused. So remember this rule. Short time is good, many days is better. Small steps every day help your brain remember words for a long time. You don't need to study for hours. Just 10 minutes a day, every day is enough. The key word is consistent. Consistent means you do it regularly, you don't stop. Just 10 minutes, but every single day. That's the secret. Now, before we finish, I want to tell you the most important thing of all. Are you ready? Here it is. Forgetting is not failure. I know how it feels. You study a word, you practice it, then a few days later, you forget it. And you feel bad. You think, why can't I remember? What's wrong with me? Listen carefully. Nothing is wrong with you. Forgetting is part of learning. It's not your enemy. It's part of the process. Think about a baby learning to walk. Does the baby walk perfectly the first time? No. The baby falls many times. But does the baby give up? No. The baby tries again and again. Learning English is the same. You are growing. You are building something new in your brain. This takes time. You will forget words. That's normal. Every English learner forgets words. Even native speakers forget words sometimes. What matters is not speed. What matters is continuing. Small steps every day. That's the real secret. Maybe today you only learned one word. That's great. It's one more than yesterday. Maybe today you made mistakes. That's wonderful. Mistakes help you learn. Maybe you forgot a word from last week. No problem. Learn it again. This time it will stay longer. Your English is not lost. Even when you forget, your brain has a small memory of it. When you learn it again, it becomes stronger. Think of your English like a tree. A tree doesn't grow in one day. It grows slowly, quietly, little by little every day. You can't see it growing, but it's happening. One day you look and think, wow, when did it become so big? Your English is the same, building slowly, quietly, and strongly. So please be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. Learning a language is not a race. It's a journey. Every word you learn is progress. Progress means getting better. Every sentence you practice makes you stronger. Every time you try, you are winning. Let me give you some final tips. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday's you. Are you better than yesterday? Then you're doing great. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on practice, a little bit every day. Don't be afraid of forgetting. When you forget and learn again, your memory becomes even stronger. So, to review everything we talked about today. 1. Your brain forgets words because it thinks they're not important. Show your brain they are important by meeting them many times. 2. Don't learn too many words. Learn one word well in many different situations. 3. Never learn words alone. Always learn them in sentences. Context is key. 4. Say words out loud. Speaking helps your brain remember much better. 5. Study short times every day. 10 minutes daily is better than one long session. And 6. Forgetting is okay. It's part of learning. Be patient and keep going. Thank you so much for listening to English Simple Podcast today. I'm Alex, and I hope these ideas help you remember English words better. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, you can do this. Every day you're getting better. I believe in you. Goodbye, my friends, and see you next time.